In today's video, we're going to explore the topic of dropshipping as a potential source of passive income. If you're unfamiliar with the term, dropshipping is a business model where you sell products without holding any inventory. Instead, you work with a supplier who ships products directly to your customers. But the big question is, can dropshipping really be considered passive income? Is it possible to make money without putting in too much effort? Well, let's find out. One of the biggest benefits of dropshipping is the fact that you don't have to worry about inventory management or shipping. Unlike traditional retail models, you don't have to buy and hold inventory in a warehouse or store. Instead, you work with a supplier who stores and ships products on your behalf. This can save you a lot of money on overhead costs, such as rent, utilities, and storage fees. Without the burden of inventory management, you can focus on what you're good at: marketing and sales. You can spend your time developing your brand and finding creative ways to drive traffic to your website or marketplace listing. You can also create compelling product descriptions and visually appealing product images that will entice customers to buy from you. Another advantage of dropshipping is that it can be done remotely from anywhere in the world. As long as you have an internet connection, you can run your business from the comfort of your home, a coffee shop, or even while traveling. This level of flexibility is especially appealing to digital nomads or anyone who values location independence. Moreover, there are many tools and platforms available to help automate and streamline the dropshipping process. For example, you can use an e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce to set up your online store and manage orders. You can also use tools like Oberlo or Dropify to automate the product sourcing and order fulfillment process. These tools can help you to save time and focus on the aspects of your business that generate revenue. While dropshipping has its advantages, it also has some drawbacks that you should consider before investing your time and money. Here are a few cons of dropshipping. One major disadvantage of dropshipping is the slim profit margins. Since you're not producing or sourcing the product directly, you're limited to the price set by the supplier. This means that your profit margins can be quite low, especially if you're competing with other retailers who are selling the same products. Additionally, if your supplier raises prices, you may have to adjust your prices as well, which can impact your profit margins even further. Another drawback of dropshipping is the potential for shipping delays and customer service issues. Since you're relying on a third-party supplier to ship products to your customers, you have little control over the shipping process. If the supplier experiences delays or quality control issues, it can impact your business reputation and customer satisfaction. You may also have to handle customer service inquiries, returns, and refunds, which can be time-consuming and stressful. In addition, dropshipping can be highly competitive. Since it's a low barrier to entry business model, there are many other retailers and dropshippers selling similar products. This means you'll have to work hard to differentiate yourself and stand out from the competition. You'll also need to invest in marketing and advertising to drive traffic to your site, which can be expensive and time-consuming. While dropshipping can be time-consuming, there are ways to make it more passive. One way is to outsource tasks such as customer service and order fulfillment to a virtual assistant or fulfillment company. By delegating these tasks, you can free up more of your time to focus on marketing and sales, which are the areas that generate revenue. Virtual assistants or fulfillment companies can handle tasks such as responding to customer inquiries, processing orders, and handling returns and refunds, which can help you to save time and streamline the process. Another way to make dropshipping more passive is to use tools like paid advertising and email marketing to drive traffic and sales. For example, you can use Facebook ads, Google AdWords, or Instagram ads to target your ideal customers and drive traffic to your website. These advertising platforms have tools that allow you to automate the ad delivery process and optimize your ads for maximum ROI. Similarly, email marketing can be automated using email marketing software like MailChimp or Klaviyo. You can set up email campaigns to target different segments of your email list, and the software will automatically send the emails at the designated time. Another way to make dropshipping more passive is to create evergreen content, such as blog posts or YouTube videos that promote your products. This type of content can continue to drive traffic and sales over time, even if you're not actively promoting it. For example, a blog post about 10 ways to style your new handbag can continue to drive traffic to your handbag product page for months or even years after it's been published. Similarly, a YouTube video about top 5 best affordable skincare products can continue to drive traffic to your skincare product pages for a long time. What do you think about drop shipping as a source of passive income? Have you tried it before? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay up to date on our latest videos. Thanks for watching.